So I just started learning about Python and I was reading this article called Network Traffic Analysis with Python on python.plainenglish.io, and I've started coding a little bit on Python because I have an assignment about network traffic. So I got to experience Python initially because I've been programming in other programming languages like C Sharp, and now I'm doing some little bit of Python, and what I realized is it has the most easy syntax. So far I program in some amount of languages, but the user friendly Python is the most user friendly language because its syntax is really easy. For example, you can see on the screen that it doesn't require to create or declare the data type of variable. You can just write the variable name and assign the value by using the assignment operator. So this is how much user friendly it is, because in this case it's you can declare and assign a variable and not specify the data type. So this becomes more easier, and the typecasting concept, which is complicated, and the other things like the uh, functions, the methods, the classes, loops, if statements, it's basically the same, but the syntax is so much easy that I really enjoyed